Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. Longest common subsequence. So what is subsequence? For example, let us take a term, say x, okay? X equals a, b, c, d. So subsequence means it is the sequence of terms in a racing order. For example, AB is a subsequent, AC is a subsequence, BD is a subsequent, CD is a subsequence, ABC subsequence, BCD, then ABCD, okay, but not in the reverse order. For example, CB is not the subsequent because it is in the reverse order. So it is it must be in the incremental position. Let us take the another term Y. CDE, okay. So here subsequence CD, say CE, DE, CDE, okay, and there may be some, okay. Now the longest subsequence, longest common subsequence means which is the longest subsequence here? Common. See here, CD and CD, okay. These two terms are common to each x and y. So this we can find manually. Suppose if we have the term, for example, x equal a, b, c, d, e, f, g, and y equals something like this, b, c, a, b, d, e, something like this, okay, very long term. This long term we cannot able to find the longest subsequence manually because 2 raised to power number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 2 raised to power 9 combinations. I mean possible terms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2 raised to power 7. So very large combinations we need to make. So this is not feasible manually. So for that we go for dynamic programming. Dynamic programming technique to solve the longest common subsequence. Okay, let us take the previous example. What is there in previous example? X equal a, b, c, d and y equals c, d, e. So we need to find the longest common subsequence using dynamic programming. So here say a, b, c, d, we need to make a matrix of n plus 1, n plus 1. Thus n is the number of terms in the x and m is the number of terms in the y. So we need to make a matrix of n plus 1 cross m plus 1. N is the number of terms in the x and m is the number of terms in y. Okay, so here a, b, c, d. Here in y we have c, d, e. Sorry, I need, actually the first one must be c, d, e. Here the first column and the first row is 0, 0, 0. Okay, always the first column and the first row is 0, 0, 0. Now we have to populate these cells. Okay, now first cell a and c both are not same. So if it is not same, take the maximum of either this or that, either left side or the top. So both are same value, so I can take any this 0 or that 0. So I take 0. Okay, from where I took? From here. You can also take the above 0, upper one, and put the arrow mark pointing upwards. So which 0 you are taking, you need to point it. Okay, for example, oh, for example, if I take the above 0, I make the point the arrow mark like this. Okay, if I take the left side 0, this one, you can point the arrow mark towards left. Let it be. Second, D and E, I mean A and D both are not same, so take the maximum of either this or that, both are same. So this time I like to take the 0 from this side, so put the arrow mark this way. And A, E, yes, A, E both are not same, so maximum of this one, so I put the arrow mark this side. Then comes to BC. BC is 0. I took this B and C. I took this 0 from, sorry, I took the 0 from this side. Then BD again not same, so I took from this side. BC again 0, so this time I plan to take from the upper cell. Then we have CC, both are same. If both are same, diagonal plus 1, that is diagonal is 0, so plus 1. From where I took? From this diagonal element, diagonal plus 1. If both are same, diagonal plus 1. Okay, left top corner diagonal. Okay, left side diagonal. And DC, DC both are not same, so what is the maximum? 1 and 0, so 1 is the maximum, so I took this one and make it like this. And here C and C both are same, so diagonal is 0, 0 plus 1, so I take from this cell 0 plus 1 is 1. Then D, C both are not same, so I take the maximum. What is the maximum? This 1 is the maximum, so this is the 1, I took 1. And the D both are same, so diagonal plus 1, so this is the diagonal plus 1 is 2. And the last one DC both are not same, so I take the left's highest, largest. Okay, now once you finish this one, the longest subsequence is the length is 2, the length is 2, so that means our longest subsequence length is 2. Which are there? Which term? So for that to find, we need to go like this. Start from the cell, last cell, and progress towards the arrow mark. From here I go here. Okay, and from here this is a arrow mark shows here. So whenever you are traveling towards the diagonal, you need to mark the cell. What is the cell? D. So DD. Okay, so the D first term, I mean the last term is D, go towards. So here again I end up in a 1. Okay, so here this one also diagonally it is moving upward. So this one, whenever the cell points the diagonal, you need to mark the cell. So here CC, so C is it. So the longest subsequent is CD. See here manually what we made, CD, right? So this is how we need to find the longest subsequence. Okay, so if you are traveling like this, you should not consider the cell which has an arrow mark left side or a top one. Always we need to take the whichever cell having the diagonal element, that one we need to choose diagonal. Okay, we need to start from a lower corner and keep progressing towards the arrow mark. Clear? Now let me do the another exercise. Say another exercise, say x equals a b b c and y equals a b c c d. So what is the length of x? Is n, that is 4. What is the length of y? M, that is 5. So what is the size of matrix? 4 plus 1 and 5 plus 1 equals 5 cross 6 matrix I need to make. A, B, C, C, D. A, B, B, C. Sorry, again I did the mistake. Actually, it has to start from here. A, B, B, C. So here the first element, first column 0 0 0 0 and very first row also 0 0 0. Now we need to mark it. Same, A and A are same, so diagonal plus 1. This is a diagonal, so make it 1. So which one? From where I took the 1? From this cell. AB, okay, AB not same, so maximum of either this one or this one. Which is maximum? This one is maximum, so maximum I take from here and the value is 1. AB, again both are not same, A and B are not same, that is the term A and B not same, so the maximum of either left side or the top, so maximum is the left hand side. So I take the one from left hand side, and then again AC not same, so I take this one and the value is 1. BA not same, so maximum is this is the maximum, so I put 1. I took this one from here. BB both are same, so I need to take from this one diagonal plus 1, that is now the value is 2. BB again both are same, BB, so diagonal plus 1, so diagonal is 1, again 1 plus 1 2. Then BC both are not same, so I'm going to take left hand side, the value is 2, so the maximum. Then CA both are not same, so the maximum number I'm going to take 1. I took this one from this cell. CB again not same, so I'm just going to take the maximum from this cell. CB again not same, so I'm going to take the maximum of either left or top, so both are same value, so I just take some value, assume that I took from here, from this cell. Then CC both are same, so diagonal plus 1, so diagonal is 2, 2 plus 1 3, I took diagonal plus 1 from here. Then CA is not same, so the top element I took from here. CB again not same, so I took from here, the value is 2. CB again I took the value from the top, you can also take from the left. And the CC diagonal element plus 1, so 3, both are same, that is CC I took from here. And then DA both are not same, so highest value I took from here. Then DB both are not same, so the highest value I took from the top cell. And then DB also not same, so I'm just take the value from the top cell, and then DC again not same, so I take the value from the biggest value. I take is from the top cell. Okay, now what is the length of the longest term? The length is 3. Length is 3. What are the terms? So you need to start following the arrow mark. So I use another color. Let me use the blue color. Okay, right, done. I need to start from here. And the arrow mark, follow the arrow mark. I go here, and then from here I go here. So that means I'm just travel towards the diagonal. So we need to take this one, 3, this cell, C and C. So C. Oh, this is very light, so I take yellow. The concept is nothing. See here, I explain once again. I start from here, number 3. So 3 is not pointing the arrow mark towards the diagonal, it is going upward. So we should not mark this, 3. So just go there. Okay, but these 3 pointing the arrow mark diagonally, so we need to mark this one. What is the mark? Here C and C. So the last character is C, last term. So I go here. After that I go again, 2 is marking left hand side, so I go to the left. After that these 2 points to the upper cell, and then you see this cell is pointing the diagonal, so need to take this one, BB. So B, and then now I am in this one cell. I go here, and also this cell pointing the arrow mark to the diagonal, so take this diagonal, that is A. So A. So the longest common subsequence is ABC. Clear? This is how we use dynamic programming to find the longest common subsequence. Clear, guys? See you. Bye bye. Have a great day.